the way. Come on and worship him. Come on and worship him. Come on. Woman of God, your job has been hard and it's been tough. Woman of God, but you stayed because you love your God so much. You said, how am I going to do the job that you've given me to do? Well, God said the same way I gave it to Moses, I'm giving it to you. I called you to deliver a people, yes, it's true. And you said, God, oh God, but who you going to send with me? Will it be you? And God said this day, like Moses, I give you my glory, it's true. And my glory will be in behind you, and it will be in front of you. My glory's gonna lead you in a man's world, it's true. I'm gonna use you like Holder. I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm gonna change their mind, watch and see. And there will be one more term where I will turn things around. Do you believe? I'm gonna give you grace to stay in this race. I'm gonna give you a grace that will help you keep up the pace. Cause everything I give to you, I've designed it just for you. Man did not pick you, though they would say that yes they did, it's true. God chose you. God picked you. He knew he'd give you the grace you need. So stand so sufficiently. This day God gives you all the miracles you don't even have to see to believe. They're in need. Surgery took place today. Surgery took place today. Surgery. Somebody worship him. Somebody worship. Somebody worship.